Hi guys, Seamus here. I'm in the middle of rotating the display in the trucks and the cases and so forth. I came across another faulty sensor. It's this one here. Now I've replaced it all. This is the old one I took out. There's the plug and play sort of thing, 5 volts. That'll power all the lights on the front of the grille. We'll turn it on here. I'll show you what it does. There's about 5 different settings on it. First one, it'll flash. Second one, I think it's static. Yep. And then the next one, it'll fade a wee bit slower just. Next one again, it'll strobe in and out. Bottom one, slightly different. It'll fade in and out. And the last one, slightly different speed again. You turn it off, and then there's another strobe on it. We just have it static. There's a few R switches on it. I've showed this nail before. There's a few R switches on it. It's turn off interior lighting, sound chips and so forth. Your top lights and your beacons. I'll see if we can I'll pull these blinds here and you'll see it better in the dark. So the next one here is your interior lighting, off and on. Next one, I think it turns the spotlights up off at the top. Yeah. And there's a sound chip. That'll run until I turn it off, which is now. There's a couple of different settings on it. So the next one will turn off all your lights and your interior light and just leave your top lights on. And then turn them all back on again. Right guys, short video. So let's get back out into the case and hopefully I shouldn't find any more problems with any of the other rigs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll speak to you all later. Bye.